Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotic dahi. First, gather your ingredients: fresh whole milk, a high-quality dahi starter, and a clean, food-grade container. This simple process ensures you create a delicious and gut-friendly dahi right in your own kitchen. We'll cover each step carefully to guarantee success, from heating the milk to the final fermentation. To begin, gently heat 1 liter of whole milk to 185 degrees Fahrenheit or 85 degrees Celsius. Hold it at this temperature for about 10 minutes. This crucial step helps eliminate any unwanted bacteria, creating a clean slate for your beneficial cultures. Afterward, let the milk cool down to around 105 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius before proceeding. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic read. You can find the link to the book and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your milk is at the correct temperature, it's time to introduce your starter. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of a good quality probiotic dahi starter and gently mix it into the cooled milk. Ensure it's thoroughly combined. Then, carefully pour this mixture into a clean, insulated container. This provides the perfect environment for your dahi to begin its transformation. Now for the magic. Maintain a consistent temperature between 100 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 to 43 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 hours. It's important not to disturb the dahi during this time, allowing the cultures to work their wonders. You'll know it's ready when it has a firm set and a pleasant, slightly tangy aroma.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.